right there, that big giant reflection you see, that's the piston ring. Some of you guys know me, some of you guys don't. My name is Boosted John, and today I'm working on my Civic. I came to the shop and I'm working on this big series for you guys about how we're gonna make a ton of power and stuff. And I decided that I would be cautious, and before I start, really getting into things, I would double check all of my cylinders with a scope and just make sure that they all look good. Last season, I blew up a spark plug in cylinder 3 by going B miles per hour. So anyway, the scope that I used last year, I guess I wasn't able to see very well, and I kind of just sent it, and I went to the drag strip like right after that happened. But I decided to double check today because I have a better scope. What I found was a nice surprise, a big old fun surprise. Come a little closer. So here's what we found, boys. This one looks decent. This one looks decent. This one looks decent. This one, not so good, boys. Not only is it missing a chunk, there is a good amount of damage on the top of the piston. Piston number 3 got pretty beat up. This is pretty unfortunate, but I'm gonna go ahead and just start pulling the pistons out because there's no point in talking about it anymore. I just gotta get them out and replace the one piston and regap the rest of the rings. And toss them back in, we should be good to go.
Because I put it there, everything was perfectly clean. And the very first oil change that I did,
Alrighty, so all the pistons are out of the motor. The cylinder walls generally look fine. There's one that looks a little rough, but we're gonna hone them all and just make them all clean again. And I'm gonna go ahead and order a new piston for cylinder number 3 because this one is toast.
looks nice.
Real Street Performance is a really good video on gapping piston rings. The link to that will be in the description down below.
We're going to pull this out.
Let's go! One second, I'm just gonna check for leaks. I seriously forgot how fast this car is. That was insane, dude. I felt like I was going into light speed. Oh my God. Woo! It is now snowing, dude. What? This has been such a crazy video. So everything you just saw was basically over the course of like 10 days, and that was basically going from an assembled engine to rebuilding the engine to driving the car. Now, previously, I would have probably made that like 3 or 4 different videos, but I decided just to grind through it, wait on uploading, and get you guys a very satisfying video where you see the problem occur and see the solution occur in the same video. I'm looking forward to sticking with that style going forward. I think you guys are gonna really enjoy it a lot more than what I was doing in the past. Anyway, the Civic is home. The Civic is back. It's ripping. The tune is running really rich right now. I was running, I was driving it home last night on the highway and I was at like 13-to-1 AFR, just at, part throttle cruising. Mike at PFM, he's the man for tuning, so I'm gonna talk to him, figure that out. Really quick, I just wanna say thank you to Mike and Kathy from PFM for allowing me to work on my car in their shop. If you guys need any performance parts, please click the link in the description to PFM's Facebook page. If you need parts or you're local to Chicago and you need any performance work done, please go ahead and message the shop page. And lastly, what should you be expecting for the channel going forward? Well guys, this video that you're watching right now wasn't supposed to happen. I had a 3-part series planned for this car, and it's gonna be sick. It's still happening, but this video was a curveball. I was not planning on making this video that you're watching right now. So now that this video is done, the engine is good, it's ready to be retuned basically and rip. We're starting a 3-part series. In this 3-part series, you're gonna see the car get a lot of grip-related performance parts. You're gonna see the car get some power-related performance parts, and you're also gonna see it hit the dyno again, and we're shooting for a much higher number than what it's currently making. It's currently making 369. But we're gonna be going for a lot more than that. So stay tuned. If you're new here, please click subscribe. As I said, I'm trying to get 100,000 subs by the end of 2021. If you like this video, please click that thumbs up. And lastly, let's plan, commit, execute, and attain our goals. Bye guys.